The session for today, the 3rd of October 2022, which is the first trading day of the last quarter of this year, is coming to an end. So we have about 1 hour and 12 minutes before the session ends. We can see that SPY has gained 3.05%, rallying from the lows of $356 or thereabouts. Okay, so moving on, let's quickly see what's going on with Tesla. Tesla is down $7.45. Sorry, 7.45%. It announced disappointing earnings outcomes, I believe. Okay, let's see here. Tesla slides on widening delivery and production gap. Demand worries. Tesla Inc. shares fell about 9% today after the world's most valuable automaker sold fewer than expected vehicles in the 3rd quarter due to logistics hurdles, with a slowing outlook for economic growth raising doubts about demand. So while Tesla continues to point to supply constraints as limiting deliveries, the potential for demand destruction looms large. JP Morgan analyst Ryan Brinkman said analysts warned that demand may soon lose steam in the coming quarters, with Toyota US sales dropping 7.1%. As far as shipping goes, we are not facing any issue, the Japanese automaker said. Tesla will need to deliver more than 450,000 vehicles in the 4th quarter to meet its goal of growing deliveries by 50% annually. Yeah, that's what's going on with Tesla. Let's get the volumes. Definitely one of the most active in this session. 76.478 million shares have crossed the tape so far and counting. Okay, let's quickly have a look at Apple. Apple has, in the last 2 trading sessions, I believe it was quite lackluster, but this time around it is up, and probably dragging the S&P 500 up with it as well. Okay, so it's up 3.41%. Okay, Apple App's store revenue down in September due to China weakness, slower growth in Japan, US. Morgan Stanley says. Okay, let's quickly have a look at other stocks that are on the. Let's see what those stocks are. FNGR, let's see, FNGR. Let's see what's going on with FNGR. Okay, before FNGR, the penny stock that has caught the eyes of a lot of market participants is FNHC. Okay, FNHC gained as much as 400%, if not even more. So the gain is now 392%. We had targets of 0.41 and 0.44. All of those have since been met. Let's see whether we can get any news. So far, there isn't any news. volume is 135.907 million shares. Okay, so we're not bothering to come up with any more targets. We expect the stock to retrace. Okay, let's have a look at FNGR finger motion up 58.01%. Okay, let's see what is going to happen to this one. Upward projections are 5.45 and 5.42, all the way up to 5.69 for FNGR. So let's look at WLDS. Okay, the gain for WLDS is 54.77%. Let's see whether there's any news that has come out. No news so far. Okay. Okay, let's quickly see what's going on with ATXI. We have upward projections of 13.37 for ATXI, and after that is 13.86, 13.90. There's no guarantee all of these will happen. Okay, let's quickly see what's going on here on the LOGC is LOGC gained 637.61% on emerging news. The news, I think, is that a unit that is owned by, is it AstraZeneca? Yes, AstraZeneca is going to acquire the company or stuff like that. Yeah. So we're not bothering with any target on LOGC. FSI is gained 39.4%. Okay, let's see MYOV. Gilead Sciences, it gained 37.92. I think the news is that it rejected a $2.5 billion buyout bid from Sumitomo Pharmaceuticals. Okay, let's look at SOBR. Equally gained around 38.81%, as you can see now. What was the news? Okay, let's see this. So NTSB, okay, we need, this is as NTSB calls for passive alcohol detection for drivers, as SOBR Safe offers a solution. So I think that's amongst other things why the stock is in the move. Okay, so see what you make of all of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.